Envelopes may look simple as covers for your letters or documents, but in reality, they're the first impression your receiver gets, and they set the tone for what to expect from your brand. Hi, I'm Faith from Veesham Printing Press, and in this video, I will walk you through everything you need to know about envelopes. Let's start with the standard sizes you'll come across most often. DL. Perfect for A4 sheets folded into thirds. Commonly used for business letters, invoices, and official correspondence. C6. Fits an A4 sheet folded into quarters or an A5 sheet folded in half. Ideal for greeting cards, invitations, and thank you notes. C5. Fits an A4 sheet folded in half. Popular for invitations, flyers, or compact brochures. C4. Fits a full A4 sheet without folding. Best for documents, contracts, or reports. We can also print custom sizes for your envelopes according to your requirements. Envelopes are not one size fits all. Here are some popular varieties depending on your purpose. Corporate envelopes for everyday business use. Invitation envelopes for special occasions and events. Wedding envelopes with a more personal, elegant touch. They can also be categorized by closure style like sling closure, double-sided tape closure, seal stickers. We offer a wide range of paper options for your envelopes, like craft, metallic, textured, colored, and even recycled papers for eco-friendly choices. To make your envelope stand out, we provide premium finishes like foiling, embossing, spot UV. And if you already have ready-made envelopes, we can still personalize them with screen printing of your logo or design. This is a quick and affordable solution for branding. Whether you need everyday envelopes or something custom for an event, we've got you covered. Contact us on the number below and let's talk further. I will see you on the next video. Until then, take care and bye!